Hey guys, an update on ASML. Before going into the micro, quickly wanna share the larger picture again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the purple count. We are in this third wave, in my opinion, massive third wave. Inside purple 3 we have this blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're now inside this fifth wave in blue, in my opinion. 1, 2, 3 was complete. Here a sideways wave 4 that took a few years, overshooting B wave, which means you don't need a C wave that goes beyond the A wave. And then now I'm gonna zoom in. We have, in my opinion, completed this circle wave 1 in yellow. We want to see a wave 2 now, then a 3, then a 4, then a 5 inside this fifth wave to complete, this pink, purple third wave, okay? Zooming into the 4 hourly, you can see here also inside circle wave 1, we have in blue the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then inside every blue wave, we have in yellow perfectly the subwaves, okay? Very satisfying chart, this one. And then now, obviously, we started the move up here to here. We need to correct all of this, and these are the fips that we are, looking for then, okay? Before focusing on this micro here, okay, that's not gonna work. In just general, without looking at the micro, a wave 2 often goes to at least a 0.382, okay, which would mean in this case 1062. In bullish cases, it can find support at the 0.236 and grind from there, but I'm just saying in general we go at least here, okay? So that's why I'm myself not really rushing to add this one back to my portfolio. Also, I have this vertical line comparing the length of this wave 1 in time with the wave 2. A wave 2, this is a guideline I have learned from another guy I follow. A wave 2 generally goes to at least the 0.382, okay? Fib time comparing wave 1 to then the time that comes after the top of wave 1. So this sits at June 25th this year. So it's still a few months away. Now, it doesn't have to crash a lot. It is down 17% from the top. Okay, that is a lot. It can go down 20, 30%, even more, yep. But it doubled in price. Okay, it did more than doubling. Okay, it tripled almost in price. So it makes sense that it cools off a little bit. If you bought here, then 17% is a lot because you don't have this growth with your position. Okay, you just immediately got wrecked. So knowing that, we might visit this place here. I'm trying to look at the micro then, with in my head this zone here that we want to reach. This could have been a wave A, 5-wave move inside here. A, B, C inside wave B. The thing that bothers me is that the B wave really, like this A, B, C, the C wave inside this B wave does just wick above this A wave here, the internal A wave. That bothers me. It would be nicer to have a C wave that goes a little bit beyond the A wave, but we didn't get that. And because of that, this could still like do something like this: A, B, and then C, and then move down. Okay, that's why the micro here is a little bit tricky. I have got this red line here indicating the top of this B wave. If we take that now, we will shift back the focus to this resistance box. Okay, and then I will add a target box for potentially this ABC, okay, to add additional fibs here, because I don't think this is the correction complete yet. Of course, if it proves me otherwise, if it makes now a 5-wave move up, then I have to change my view. But for now, because of what I've said on the 4-hour time frame, I think this is not done yet. Locally, if this falls down, then the focus stays on this pink box here, the 1-to-1 at 1164. Could then be an A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside wave C. And then once we get here, we want to see how the reaction is. It can easily give a 3-wave move up, which would then mean that we do an extended correction, okay? And that's really healthy and possible because this one has grinded to the upside a lot, has been very strong here in the past few months, past half year, while the rest of the market, yeah, started the correction already. This one was, yeah, very stable still and very much grinding to the upside. Now it started to correct as well with the war in Iran. But yeah, so for now, as long as we stay below this red line at 1400, I think we can focus on this area here. If we break it, however, without losing this low, we'll shift to this resistance box and then, yeah, try to move down from there. And that's just because, again, this took some time. I think this wave 2 also needs some time, and it needs to, yeah, correct a little bit more because this move was 160%. We're only down 70%. That's like, yeah, you get that sometimes, but it's really a very shallow correction if it stops here. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.